The Lexus LS concept reinvents the flagship as six-wheel minivan. The name may be familiar, but everything else is wildly different. Lexus LS minivan concept at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show. Forget what you know about the LS, because this clearly isn't it. The name might evoke Lexus quintessential flagship, but everything else has changed dramatically. The two letters no longer stand for luxury sedan, but luxury space. And this boxy contraption delivers that in spades. While the idea of an LS minivan sounds like something you generate with AI on a slow day, this one is very real. Debuting at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show, the LS is an outlandish people mover with 6 wheels and 3 rows of seats. It may come as a surprise, but Lexus isn't new to the minivan game. It's been selling the LM, a spruced-up Alphard/Vellfire, since 2019. However, this new concept previews a far more extravagant offering, and not just because of the extra axle. Toyota's chief branding officer, Simon Humphries, recently said Lexus will push forward as a pioneer and move more freely. This edgy concept certainly fits the bill, marking a vast departure from every LS sedan since 1989. The brick-on-wheels design is all about angles and features a cavernous cabin capped by a gigantic dual panoramic glass roof. As wacky as it looks, a production version might just happen. Toyota chairman Akio Toyoda is confident the development team can bring the LS minivan to life and indirectly replace the seminal sedan. It's an incredible challenge. There are certain things people expect from Lexus: quietness, comfort, the ability to conquer any road. A 6-wheeled vehicle must accomplish all these things. Everyone is committed to the task, and I am sure they will succeed. Lexus remains tight-lipped about technical specifications, but the LS concept appears to be the largest vehicle the brand has ever made. Toyota's luxury division claims the unusual 6-wheel layout will revolutionize packaging, though it hasn't explained how. We do notice a split tailgate and acres of legroom for those sitting in the back. Bamboo shades keep prying eyes from peeking into the lavish interior. The LS concept is presumably electric, maximizing space while maintaining the whisper-quiet refinement expected of a Lexus flagship. The extra axle adds complexity and raises questions about road noise, but Lexus seems confident it can make it work. Credit where it's due. The company is thinking far outside the box, even if using the LS name feels a bit off. Then again, Lexus appears to be charting a new course, so perhaps we'll just have to get used to cars that break the mold. Still, going from a traditional 3-box sedan to a bizarre minivan is quite a leap.